ASS pipe plugs by Holzer ASS are a practical solution for fast and straightforward purging in general welding applications for internal pipe diameters ranging from 9 to 115 millimeters. This system is based on purge plugs made from durable, heavy-duty rubber. The plugs are inserted at the pipe ends and reliably seal the pipe purging chamber. A key feature of the ASS pipe plugs is the specially developed gas line connection. This design allows the purging gas to be precisely introduced into the oxygen-free pipe purging chamber and helps reduce the oxygen content inside the pipe quickly. In addition, the plugs feature optimized oxygen evacuation, which prevents turbulence and ensures a uniform purging gas atmosphere in the weld zone. In terms of handling, the ASS pipe plugs offer another advantage. Thanks to their shape, they are easy to insert and remove. The surface of the plugs provides a good grip, making safe and quick installation possible even under challenging on-site conditions. The ASS pipe plugs are available in a storage case and can be individually assembled on site. This ensures that users always have the right sizes and components at hand, without the need for time-consuming searching or sorting.